Alright, plumbers have installed a hottie here. We've just got to run a new circuit from here pretty much through the gate onto the other side where the switchboard is. Put an isolator, connect the hottie up. Huh? Yeah, done. Can you line me up, sort of, for an elbow to go in the top of the box?
Back the way. Don't cut it all the way, so it just makes it move it.
Easy. Make sure you hit subscribe, leave a comment, tag your friends.
Hey, I'm teaching you how to hit 200 in golf.
Hey, whoa, baby. 96.
Once.
Excuse me, I hit a 92 the other week.
Well, I'm a par 3 course.
Oh, jeez, you're fucking full of it today, aren't you? No, there was a couple par 5s that were par 3s though.
But I know, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But hey, still counts.
The one hitting up from the water, from the lake, over the hill, and back down to the ground.
Yeah, hole 10.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. And then also hole 18.
That's when you're hitting back towards the clubhouse, isn't it?
Yeah. It's next to where you tee off next to the lake.
Yeah, no, that wasn't. That wasn't close.
Yeah, that was closing. It was a par 3 there. That was our last hole. Just flushed it as well. Just swing easy, flushed it. Landed in the center of the green. Just went, woo, baby. You know, it can't all be as good as me, but you can try.
Maybe we should go play golf right now.
Clubs are in the car. GoPro seen it. The secret's out. Oh, you would put it on that way. Seriously. Talking to myself. Two, three up. Mate, get that bloody shit Makita thing out of here.
What do you mean? This thing is a weapon. Like 600 years old. It goes like that.
I think it was about 2-3 up, roughly. Well, it's a bit hard to tell, isn't it? Yeah, I'd say go up a bit. Yeah, go there.
I'm trying to do cables there.
Alright, so we've got the isolator mounted. So we'll just wire this hottie up, get that in there like that. I like to get a planer screw with a lock ring in here. I think it's better practice. This will come around here. Oh, it's a bit squishy in here. Get a couple of saddles on the wall. Something like that. Maybe a bit shorter. Pull this off. Got that through. Must be gluing everything, otherwise it just lets the water in. Get that in there. Onto tight. Bang. Grab a couple saddles, saddle this in. Alright. Continue to saddle that all the way around, saddle it to the wall. Then we just got to put the pips in to make it a waterproof box. Fit that off once we get that new feed in from the switchboard that we'll do right now. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and a comment. See ya!